I decided to say yes to the Femme Meets Fortune Mastermind because I really trust Dr. Diamond. I have known her for years and have watched her invest in her own businesses, her own ideas and visions. And I know that she's an extremely hard worker. I know she leaves no stone unturned. And through witnessing her perseverance and her brilliance, I was drawn to learn even more by participating in her mastermind. And so I was incredibly impressed at how Dr. Diamond hosted a space where spontaneously she invited in any questions, challenges, or concerns. She didn't know what people were going to bring to the space prior to meeting. And yet with every question that was raised, she had some wisdom to share. Not only that, but Diamond was very adept at welcoming the wisdom of the group. And I really appreciated that because it added depth and richness to the learning experience for everyone, while also building a supportive community amongst women. I think another quality I'd like to share about the Femme Meets Fortune Mastermind is that Dr. Diamond is a fun and lighthearted person. So even if you're bringing a serious inquiry, if you're feeling kind of low, Dr. Diamond's able to meet you where you're at, and also shed light on the bigger picture. A key gem that Dr. Diamond shared with all of us is the importance of thinking about our lives holistically. What is the lifestyle that I want to live? Thinking about that first. How do I want to prioritize my own relationships, my activities, my well-being, my pleasure? And how do I think about those things while also thinking about financial goals, business growth, and impact? And I really appreciated that well-rounded perspective that she invited us to consider at every choice and every decision. And it's made me more conscious about how I'm making those decisions with my business. And so the conversation around pleasure really reminded me, and I think all of us, to drop into our bodies, to tap into other sources of wisdom and intuition that each of us holds, and to bring priority and value to those. So I love the fact that Diamond prioritizes talking about pleasure, and she doesn't set it aside. It's integrated and informing every single one of our conversations. Choosing to sign up for Femme Meets Fortune was definitely worth the investment. The group calls were incredibly informative and valuable, and that's where we formed community with the other participants and gave me an opportunity to have a direct line of communication with Dr. Diamond for my own inquiries, and also listening, witnessing, observing how she responded to the other members of the group. So if you are interested in moving away from something like an impersonal self-help book and moving towards coaching that's not only individualized, but also held in a supportive community that will strengthen your relationships with other women, then I think the Femme Meets Fortune Mastermind is for you. My name is Kathleen McGoey, and I'm in Longmont, Colorado.